What up, YouTube? Looking like a G. Sheesh. Too fly out here, man. Too fly. I got this at a go-kart place. Bro, I was thinking semen retention will have you out here walking like Andrew Tate. I swear, especially when you're out in public, you just be walking with like such assertiveness like this. Like you have some long ass steps, bro. It feels like you own the place. That's how it feels like on retention, man. You got this big ass aura. You got this freaking, your back is straight, your head is up, shoulders back, chest out, you know? Walking very assertive, like you the boss, man. Retain gang.